Hi, boys and girls. How many of you have a pet? Well, I was looking at the clearance rack and I found this toy, Littlest Pet Shop, series number 1. So this is the number 1 of the series. I don't know how many series there are, but there's probably quite a few. And I was looking at the box and it says it has 2 pets in here. Let's open it up, boys and girls. Aren't you excited? Oh my, this is cute. Okay, boys and girls, let's look at pet number 1. Oh, he's really cute, he or she. What do you think that is, boys and girls? You think that's a kitty cat? Well, I'm not really sure, boys and girls, but later on I'm going to show you some different pets. Our next pet, I feel, is some kind of little bird. I think they said you get 1 card. So every time you get one of these sets, you get some kind of card. Maybe it's a card that tells us about the animals here. These 2 animals. I don't see a name there. Series number 1. And oh my goodness! Look at all of the pets that you can get. Like I said, I'm going to show you some different pets. Goldfish. Hermit crab. Puppy. Kitten. Parakeet. Leopard, gecko. Hamster. Bunny. Bearded dragon. Turtle. Lizard. Guinea pig. Boys and girls, let's review the pet names. 1. Goldfish. 2. Hermit crab. 3. Puppy. 4. Kitten. 5. Parakeet. 6. Leopard gecko. 7. Hamster. 8. Bunny. 9. Bearded dragon. 10. Turtle. 11. Lizard. 12. Guinea pig. Great job!